What's up, piano students? This is the bonus material. We're going to learn some Lizzo today. Okay, Truth Hurts is super easy because it's basically just two sets of notes. The first set starts on this low C, and let's call that big C. Your thumb is going to play the next C higher, and we're going to call that little C. And then in the middle here, you're going to play a G with your second finger. And we follow the same pattern over and over again. Big C, little C, G, little C, big C, little C, G, big C. Get that? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? The next pattern, you're going to keep your hand in the same position, but move everything 2 notes down. So we're going from C down to A. Pinky's going to play big A, thumb, little A, and your second finger is going to play an E. And we're going to follow that same pattern. Big A, little A, E, little A, big A, little A, E, little A. Do that over and over again. Good, let's get ready to jump back to the C, move back to the C with that G in the middle. Let's play 4 of these. 2, 3, 4. Get ready to move to A. Spot that E in the middle. A, E, and E. 3. Get ready to go back to C, right here. And then we're going to do 2 of each. C, C. Get ready to go to A. Ready? A, A. Let's do 2 of each. One more time. C, C. Down to A. Okay, this time we're only going to do 1 of each set. Are you ready? C, down to A. Oh, yeah. A. Good. You can improve your speed a little bit or increase, sorry. And then put a little extra emphasis on the first and the third notes for a little attitude. Ready? We're going to sing it. Ready? One man great till we gotta be great. Don't text me, tell it straight to my face. Yeah, you can sing the rest of it. I'm not going to sing the whole thing. All right, and that's all there is to it. Awesome.